HMMM, I'm in a grinder. Welp, guess I'll die. You can hit that switch now.
That was unexpected, but okay.
Oh wow. A grinder. An easily accessible escape. Bye-bye. Ow.
Oh, what's this? Let me guess, a grinder. What is that button gonna do? Grind me?
Yes, it will. Also, can you please shut up?
I won't. You stupid piece of metal.
I'll just grind your annoying.
Ah, harder.
Ugh, I hate fruit like these. Finally, it's dead.
Huh, where am I? How do I get out? Why is there a robot?
I am here to kill you also. You can easily get out through that hole on top of you.
It's too high. Let me out. This place stinks. It smells like rotten fruit. Some fruit. Help. Ow, my hands.
You're too stupid. I'll just kill you.
Wait, no. I'm getting grinded.
Interesting. A fruit grinding machine. MHM, I can easily break this robot.
Oh, you think you're so strong, huh? You can't even lay a spike on me.
Let's see.
What a loser. It thinks it's so strong. Wait, I was joking. Please don't destroy me.
Not so cocky now, huh?
No.
Everyone underestimates me. I'm fine.